என்ன பண்ண போறோம்னா பள்ளி மாணவர்கள் எல்லாம் அவங்க ஸ்கூல் பேக், ஜாமெட்ரி பாக்ஸ், நோட்டு எல்லாம் கிழிச்சு கடிச்சு எல்லாம் வச்சிடுறாங்க. அந்த நோட்டு பேக் எல்லாம் போய் கோர்ட்டுட்ட கம்ப்ளைண்ட் பண்றதை வந்து நாங்க இங்கிலீஷ்ல டிராமா பண்ண போறோம்.
Good morning, my lord.
Good morning.
When I come to this house, I wore pink and grey dresses, shiny and must just look at me.
Don't cry. Calm down. How did it happen, Miss English?
Will this boy, Magesh, Bhaskar be covered with properly with the nice brown pepper in father had brought?
Did Mahesh not scold and punish the school for that?
Oh yes, he was repeatedly, but all the punishment slipped the scolding up. But never, she told everyone dropped the Magesh carelessly. Now he's another good boy and even managed to stay within the first 5 rank in class, but never extremely lazy.
Mahesh, brought him back to reality. What do you have to say for yourself? I am sorry, my lord.
Thank you, my lord.
What do you mean by saying sorry? You have to do what you understand. Do you understand? I am sorry, my lord.
Thank you, my lord.
Social. Good morning, Your Honor.
Good morning.
First condition of English, I had no cover. The content page was handling down lost due fluid in mixed with all the colors in the paintwork.
Oh, yes.
My story is quite similar to Miss English. All my fellow brothers at me whenever Magesh pulls me out of this bag.
Sorry, my lord.
Thank you.
Silence. Pencil box.
Magesh, good morning, my lord.
Good morning.
Magesh did not clean it yet. He covered me with coarse board, pens, paper and pencil shopping. Just unchipped me in the sometimes played like a ball.
I am sorry, my lord. I am really ashamed. What is this, Mahesh? It is so cruel.
Thank you, my lord.
School bag. Good morning, Your Honor.
Good morning.
I might ask with me a sake of cement. Magesh never packed me the night before as all sensible children do. From the very last moment. Thank you, brother.
I am sorry, my lord.
Your Honor, I also want to say something.
All right, please come to the witness box.
Good morning, Your Honor.
Good morning.
Your Honor, it has become a regular practice and I do not know how long I will be able to bear it.
To go on.
It has lasted a few weeks break, Mahesh solving some problems with math. One of them was, can you imagine?
I am sorry, my lord.
In the little contrarians.
Okay, we all gave that second chance.
Mahesh, see that. You never ill-treat a book again. Thank you. Thank you all.
Thank you.
Thank you.